Join me as I take on the challenge of building my dream personal brand from scratch and see if I can turn it into a profitable venture by 2025. In today's digital age, having a strong personal brand is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or simply looking to boost your career, building a personal brand can open doors to new opportunities and help you stand out in a crowded market. Many of you may be struggling to establish a personal brand, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of noise online. You might be wondering, how do I differentiate myself from others in my industry? Or how do I even get started? You're not alone. Building a personal brand can be daunting, especially when you're not sure where to begin. Lack of direction is a major obstacle that holds people back from building a successful personal brand. You might be trying to appeal to everyone, but in doing so, you're not standing out to anyone. Another common struggle is lack of visibility. You might be creating great content, but who's seeing it? And even if you do manage to get your content seen, how do you differentiate yourself from the competition? So how can you overcome these struggles and build a personal brand that truly reflects who you are and what you do? The first step is to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What problems do you want to solve? What sets you apart from others in your industry? Once you have a clear understanding of your niche, you can start creating content that resonates with your target audience. Creating valuable content is key to building a personal brand. It's not just about throwing up a bunch of blog posts or social media updates, it's about creating content that educates, inspires, or entertains your audience. And let's be real, creating content that stands out in a crowded market is tough. But here's the thing, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent and authentic. Social media can be a powerful tool for building a personal brand, but it's not just about having a presence online, it's about engaging with your audience, building relationships, and providing value. Whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, you need to be where your audience is and be consistent in your messaging. But here's the key insight that can transform your approach to personal branding: authenticity matters. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not or trying to fake it until you make it. It's about being real, being vulnerable, and being unapologetically yourself. When you're authentic, people are drawn to you. They can sense when you're being real, and that's what builds trust and loyalty. Networking with the right people is also crucial to building a personal brand. Whether it's attending events, joining online communities, or collaborating with influencers, you need to surround yourself with people who inspire, motivate, and support you. When you surround yourself with the right people, you'll be amazed at the opportunities that come your way. In building a personal brand, it's not about being perfect, it's about being transparent, being consistent, and being authentic. It's about creating value, providing solutions, and inspiring others. And when you do, the money will follow. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards building your dream personal brand today. Thanks for watching, and if you're struggling with building your personal brand, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What's been the biggest challenge for you, and how are you overcoming it? And if you want more tips and strategies on building a personal brand, be sure to check out my other videos.